JW Mancuso, Mama on a Mission, jumping in today with something a little different. I want to share with you what took me 50 years and losing almost everything. I mean, everything. My mobility, my memory a little bit, my freedom to get up and just walk down the street, my career. I had to lose everything to figure this out. And I don't want you to have to go through the same thing. Some of the lessons that I learned, I've been wanting to share for a minute with everybody. And that is, I was living and I was doing and I was moving so fast all the time. I was in constant motion. I was in my head all of the time. I lost my career. I couldn't walk. I couldn't drive. I couldn't do anything. I was 30 weeks pregnant in a wheelchair, thanks to a gentleman, and I'll call him a gentleman because I'm a Christian woman, who hit me head on, corner head on, while I was 30 weeks pregnant with my son and nearly killed both of us. I learned some lessons over the last 6 years, regaining my mobility, regaining my memory, losing friends that I thought were my sisters. It still hurts, but I have realized God removed them for a reason. So there are some things that I will share. One is live in the moment. Do not allow yourself to get lost in the what ifs, the what should I have done differently, the I will be happy when. Live right now. Find the joy in today. Find the joy in every moment. Be grateful for what you have. Even if it's just a roof over your head, something to eat, a friend, a coworker who says good morning. Be grateful for every single moment that God gives you. Don't wait until it's the right time. Go out there. Start your YouTube channel. Start an Etsy shop. Start your own business. Write that poem. Do what you want to do. It's important. Be brave. Step out of your comfort zone. This was not my comfort zone at all. I did not want to be on camera. And now I absolutely love talking to everyone. God made you special. Be compassionate. Believe in yourself. Self-care is super important. Take care of yourself. You have to. You have to take care of yourself. Don't let anyone else define you. You define yourself. And even if no one else believes in what you're doing, you believe in you. And you take the time out to figure out your dreams. Self-worth is a daily chore. It is important that you feed yourself, read your Bible, go to church, thank God for the life He has given you, and never give up. And most of all, let's talk.